Hey guys, so back again on the Dmax, and we're just looking at installing a iDrive throttle controller today. So I've heard some good things about these, so I thought I might give it a whirl and we'll test it out. So all I've done is just stuck it right there, just next to the traction control button. I think that's the best spot so the LED won't annoy me. So what they give you is the throttle controller and cord that goes to here, and this little wiring harness too that piggybacks your accelerator cable. So first things first is you got to look at the top of your accelerator and pull this cord off here. There. Then you get your piggyback and plug it straight in the top. Then this one just plugs straight into the top of that. Couldn't get more basic than that. Next thing you want to do is just run this cable to that piggyback, and I'm just going to run it straight under the steering wheel, nice and tidy, keep it out of there. Then just connect them up under the dash. And just cable tie it out of the way, somewhere up there, and should be good. Alright, so we're just going to give it a test and show you how it all works. So you turn your car on, and you get this come up here, and you can obviously read the settings and everything. So those two lines are just normal. Then you have your eco modes, all the way up to 9. Ultimate modes up to 9 as well. And AC. And that's just what I like to drive on. Just goes off the weight of the foot pedal and just takes that lag out completely, which is sort of what you buy it for. So yeah, let's show you how it goes. Let's start on normal mode. So what we're going to do is just go foot flat to the floor. What we're going to do is just go foot flat to the floor on each mode, and we'll see how we go. So you can see that turbo lag there. And now we're on Eco 9. Which is not too bad. It takes that lag out completely, but is a bit more suppressed on the acceleration, which makes sense. Now we're in Ultimate 9, and we're going to see how that goes. Whoa! That's fire! And we're in the Ultimate 9 mode, so we'll see what happens here. Might get some wheel spin, I reckon. Just want to be a bit careful when you're in Ultimate mode. When you're turning corners, might accidentally do a few skids.